Okay, in this video we're going to learn how we can use PowerPoint to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. So right now I have opened up a previous thumbnail of mine of a video that was titled Learn the Column Detailing within 2 minutes. Okay, so that is the thumbnail that you're seeing right now on the screen. I'll give you the link to that very video so that you may understand better how I made the thumbnail that is in connection with the video. Alright, and now we are going to make a similar thumbnail in this blank page. Alright, that thumbnail is going to be for a circular column. So the previous video was on a rectangular column, okay, or a square column, and this time I'm going to upload a video on circular column detailing. I have already made the video, so I'm going to make the thumbnail now. So what we're going to do at first is we're going to open up our snipping tool. Alright, go to the search bar and then just write up snipping tool. Okay, then you'll get the snipping tool right here. Okay, we have the snipping tool. There we go, the snipping tool. Now I'm going to go to AutoCAD where I have done the drawing. There you go, this is the drawing that I have done. Now I'm going to take out the snipping tool. Okay, now click on new. There we go. Now I am just going to cut out the picture of the particular drawing that I have done in the video. There you go, it is here now. Now we go back to PowerPoint, and once you take out a picture on snipping tool, that picture becomes copied to your board. Okay, so whenever you click on the empty worksheet and then click on Control V, that particular picture is going to be pasted on your worksheet. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the corner and drag and readjust the size of the picture. There you go, the picture is going to stay just right here, and since the background color of my AutoCAD workspace was white, it is matching up the background color of the page of the thumbnail. Alright, there you go, so we have that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my channel logo. So let's go to insert, and then from here we go to pictures, this device, because I have my picture in my device. Go to logo and cover. There we go, this is the logo inserted. So as you can see, I have to resize this particular image as well. Now I'm going to place it just right here. There we go, that is fantastic. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my own image. Now you can follow the same procedure. You can go to insert, go to pictures, and bring out the photo you need, but for me, since I already have my picture right here, I'm just going to copy this image using Control C and come back to this page and press on Control V. There we go, my page my photo is exactly where I want it to be. Okay, there we go. Now what I want is I want this AutoCAD writing, so I'm just copying it right now. Control C, come to this page, Control V, and as you can see, the image has been pasted right where I want. Now another image, whatever you wanted, this particular image or this particular image, right? You do not have that. You do not have a previous worksheet, right? You do not have a previous slide that contains this information. So what you can do is you can go to pictures and make sure that your internet connection is on. Now you go to pictures, and instead of this device you click on online pictures. There we go, give it a time. There you go. Now I have Bing search right here. So in Bing search you just write whatever picture you want. For me, I want the AutoCAD logo, so I'm going to write AutoCAD, sorry about the spelling. Okay, AutoCAD logo, and I'm going to search the web for the particular picture or image I'm looking for. As you can see, this is the particular image that we had right here, but since we already have that, I am looking for something new. Okay, let's see what we can use, and you need some time to mix and match the pictures to see which pictures are going well with the pictures you already have on your slide. Okay, so let's see, I cannot use the Autodesk logo. Nope, I cannot do that. Okay, so what else can I do? I don't think I can use any of these that I'm seeing here. So I can just there we go, double click on that image, and that image is going to take some time to download directly onto your slide. Okay, there are some errors there. At times there may be errors if your internet connection is a bit slow. As you can see, my internet connection is a lot slow. Okay, so sorry about the poor internet connection, and it is taking up more time than I think we have. So let me just pause the recording and come back once it has. Okay, so the search is here. Let's go. So let's write up AutoCAD. Let's give it a year, 2020. Logo. Okay. Okay, so they do not have anything. Let's do a little filter. So instead of all sizes, instead of all types, we go for clip arts. And we still don't have anything. Let's just backspace the year 2020. There we go. We do not need those things. Okay, I could have used, let's take on this picture and see how it looks. So here we have the picture. The picture comes with a box, text box. We're going to delete the text box. We're going to keep the picture. Let's drag the picture to make it a bit big. I don't think the picture goes well with my thumbnail, so I'm going to remove it. There you go. Instead, I'm going to give it a text box. Okay, so here let's insert a text box here, and the text box will say column detailing in AutoCAD. Okay, let's fix up the spelling. There we go. So we have column detailing in AutoCAD. Okay, now I'm going to select the whole thing and I'm going to increase the size. Okay, I'm going to drag the text box to make the size of the box bigger as well. There you go. So we have column detailing in AutoCAD. There we go. Now I want to change the appearance of it, so I go to format. From there, let's give it a certain type of word art style. How about this one, or this one? Yeah, this one. No. Okay, I think this one looks good enough for me. So let's replace it. There you go. So column detailing and AutoCAD. We are done. So this is the thumbnail I want to go with, right? Now, how do I export this as an image? To do that, we're going to go to File, go to Save As, select the location, and then go to Save As Type. You are going to change the Save As Type from PowerPoint presentation to a PNG portable network graphics format. Okay, click there. There we go. We are going to rename it to presentation 2. There we go. Now click on save all slides or just this one. I just want this one, so I'm going to click on just this one. Okay, so the file has now been converted into a PNG. Let me open up that PNG and show you guys. Okay, so here we have it in PNG format. We just made this using PowerPoint. Okay, we did not need Photoshop, we did not need Illustrator or anything. We made an entire thumbnail just by using PowerPoint. And the awesome thing is that you do not need to change the size of the slides, because the sizes of the slides on PowerPoint are exactly the same as the size of thumbnails for YouTube. Okay, so that was it for this video. I hope you got to learn something new from this video and it was helpful to you. Thank you very much for watching.